Hello, my name is Francesco, and today I'm going to go over my internship at the Weygandt Law Firm. Now, I obtained this internship through EFTA. They specialize in wills, trusts, probate, and asset protection for individuals and families. So basically, trusts after death. Now, I learned a lot of skills through this internship, a lot of client interaction, so I had to maintain professionalism, reviewing documents, a lot of skills in Excel, and like even advertising and marketing they put me in for events that they have, like their wine and wills event and their business and boards event, sort of outreach events where they invite the community in for a drink or to play games so they can learn about the process and get some deals on the trust drafting. So getting my internship, I selected an EFTA, wrote essays, built my resume, contacted the firm, and then basically did the interview, and that was it. I was ready. Now, the main guy behind the firm, his name is David Weygandt. He's the founding attorney of the law firm, and he definitely taught me a lot. I got to go with him through downtown Houston to do the pre-trial for a trial he's been working on for months. And also I got to see the first fentanyl murder case in Montgomery County, where the guy was pretty sad. He got sentenced to like life in prison, basically. And I got to hear a lawyer break it down next to me, which was obviously very interesting. Now, results. One result that really stood out is that afterwards, I established a relationship with them as a witness for their signing ceremonies. They need 2 witnesses for legal compliance to make sure that, you know, nothing fraudulent is going on. And I got paid $25 an hour for that, and I've been doing that on and off ever since. So, yeah, kind of like a part-time job. That was great. Here is a picture of an intimidating officer while I was on my way to the fentanyl murder case. It was one of 3. I'm not sure if I was allowed to take pictures, but I thought it looked cool, so I did. And yeah, I also got to see the inmates walking out through the hallways, all in shackles, and they were like yelling and they were aggressive, and I was like, wow, yeah, I'm right. It's like the TV shows. Another thing is that I got a nice letter of recommendation afterwards for the universities, so I think that's a great opportunity to get a letter of rec that will stand out a bit and not just be, you know, teacher number 3 saying that you excelled in their class. And I also just learned things that honestly seem minor, but they play a big role, like how to effectively communicate within a team, how to contribute to weekly meetings, and just sort of like, again, time management and punctuality. Overall, I learned a lot from my internship. Thank you for listening.